everyone, this is Miss Debbie from the Addison Public Library. August is Family Fun Month, so I wanted to do a project that was fun for the entire family. Today I'm going to show you how to make sponge water bombs. These are great for a hot summer day, so hopefully you guys will be able to have some fun with this. The materials that you will need are sponges, 2, fishing line, scissors, and water. An alternate to fishing line, if you don't have that at home, I have these hair bands. Those also work very well. So if you'd like to stop by the library to pick up a craft kit, we do have limited ones available. And the sponges we have, you can see these are flat, so that's why we have the water here with us. To get started, you're going to take and you're going to cut your sponge in half. And then you're going to cut it in half again, so that you have strips. The other half that you had here, you're going to cut so that you have 4 strips per sponge. So I did a blue one, and now I have a yellow one here as well. Since the sponges that we have for our craft kits are flat, you are going to submerge them in the water that you have here so that you can make them nice and easy to work with. And you will then rinse the water out. And next what you're going to do is you're going to make a pattern with them. You're going to do 1 blue, 1 yellow, 1 blue, 1 yellow, or whatever colors you have at home. And then over the top of it, you're going to do just the opposite. So I'm going to do a yellow, a blue, a yellow, and a blue. Next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my fishing wire that I already cut, and I'm going to grab these sponges and just squeeze them together in the center. And I'm going to take my fishing line and I'm going to tie it as tightly as I can around my batch of sponges here. So here we go. And then once you are able to actually tie it together, you are going to then knot it 2 or 3 extra times just to make sure that it's nice and tight. So that's 1. And then I'll do a couple more here. My hands are a little bit slippery because of the water. I should have had a paper towel here with me to dry them, but here we go. We'll do 1 more. And then you'll notice that you have something that looks like this. You can slide the line a little bit if you don't have it centered. And then you're just going to spread out all of your little pieces of sponge until you have a very cool sponge ball that looks like this. I also made one with sponges that are not condensed. So if you have regular sponges that are already soft and you can move them around a lot, you can do it also with the hair band that I was telling you about. So I have one that's pre-cut already in yellow and purple. With the hair bands, what I did is I just took the hair band and I wrapped it around 4 times, and then you'll get a nice tight fit with the band, and those work just as well. So you'll see here, I've got my purple and yellow with the black band in the center of it, and then I just move my little sponge pieces so that I have a cool bag like this. A cool ball like this. And then what you're going to do is you're going to take these outside, have a bucket of water, go ahead and let the kids dunk them in, and then throw them at each other. Have a great time, and I hope that you enjoyed today's craft, sponge water bombs. Hope to see you guys again soon.